Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a PS4 controller to a MacBook. First, make sure your controller has enough battery life for uninterrupted gaming. It's also a good idea to power down your PlayStation 4 console to avoid any unintended connections. Then, navigate to your MacBook system settings and locate the Bluetooth menu. This is where we'll begin the pairing process. Now, let's get your PS4 controller ready for pairing. Simultaneously, press and hold both the PlayStation button, located in the center of the controller, and the Share button, found on the left side of the touchpad. Keep holding them down for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll know it's in pairing mode when the light bar on the back of the controller starts flashing quickly, indicating it's discoverable. With your controller in pairing mode, turn your attention back to your MacBook's Bluetooth settings. You should see DualShock 4 wireless controller appear in the list of available devices. Click the Connect button right next to it. Once successfully paired, the light bar on your PS4 controller will change from flashing to a solid blue, confirming a stable connection to your MacBook. Now that your controller is connected, you can enjoy your favorite games or applications that support gamepads on your MacBook. To disconnect, you have 2 simple options. You can either go back to your MacBook's Bluetooth settings and remove the device, or simply hold down the PlayStation button on the controller for about 10 seconds until it powers off completely. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.